Okay, hello guys, my name is Olympiutuns and yeah, today we'll talk about the geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine, about this high impact event, yeah, and about its impact on the financial markets, on gold, US dollar, Japanese yen, cryptocurrencies, US equities, I don't know, yeah. Video hot. Hey, hi, how are you? So first of all, before we'll start this session, here is the risk disclaimer. Yeah, please consult it, please read it, and yeah, if you have questions, you can also email support, right? And don't forget, guys, that yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to go live these days. But yeah, right now I'm here and I will try to take a look on all markets. Yeah, I know I have a strange voice right now, but yeah, I hope that that you can hear me and that everything is okay. So yeah, I will close this window, and also maybe I will close this window as well. The economic calendar earlier today, the prelim gross domestic product from the United States, 7% growth, matching expectations, better than expected unemployment claims. So this indicator reported better than expected data. Prelim gross domestic product price index better than expected, and maybe in 12 minutes new home sales from the United States. Yeah, let's wait and see how the markets will react. But as I've said, let's take a look and let's start maybe with the dollar index. If you remember, yesterday I've talked about something like this. Yeah, here, because the price dropped, retested the downtrend line, the uptrend line, and I've said that the bias is still bullish as long as it stays above the uptrend line. I've had a short and a minor downtrend line here, aggressive breakout, and right now you can see a strong upside movement, strong rally. That's why the price of or actually the US dollar appreciated versus its rival. So let's take a look. Euro USD. Yeah, I will hide this one from here because that was only set up for me, for myself. So strong sell-off here on euro versus. Please, guys, if you have questions, you can send your questions, messages, opinions into the YouTube chat. So a strong sell-off here, downside movement only because we had that rally on the dollar index. Please take a look here, the retest of the downtrend line, right, of the immediate downtrend line. Okay. And if you're as you already know from my previous analysis, I've said that as long as the price continues to stay right below this downtrend line, below this resistance area, you can see here that 1.1374 and 1.1395, the upper medium line, represent the upside obstacles, and yeah, only false breakouts, retest, and right now sell off only because the dollar index rallied. Please, guys, don't forget, I will send you so trader 25, you can I've sent this coupon, this code, this promotional code to you guys into the YouTube chat, right? If you want to become a VIP member, you can use this code trader25 at the checkout to get a 25% discount. Okay, so you can use it at the checkout if you want to join us, to become a VIP member, if you want to get all our trades, trade management. Yeah, it's very important because even if maybe you'll have our trades or something, you will not know what to do with them, or you will not know where to cut your losses or to take profits, or yeah. So trade management is really important as well. Can you make a review of Canadian dollar, Japanese yen? Yeah, Hassan, I will take a look on that market. I will take a look on the Japanese yen as well. So yeah, so something like this. But first of all, if you want to become a VIP member, if you are not already a VIP member, you can use that code at the checkout to yeah, to get a 25% discount. So strong downside movement here on the euro versus the US dollar. The price is almost to hit the weekly S3 and the medium line. Personally, I'll wait for the price to hit this support zone, and I don't know, maybe false breakdowns and a bullish pattern here could signal a potential rebound. Of course, if the dollar index will drop from here, you can see that it is almost to hit 97.44. So yeah, also the price of euro versus the US dollar is almost to hit a support zone, and the dollar index is almost to hit this resistance, static resistance. So personal wait to have maybe a fresh opportunity or something on the US dollar. So let's take a look on gold as well, because maybe you're interested in gold. And right now you can see a strong sell-off here on gold. Yeah, after reaching 1974.48, so 1974.48. right now, strong sell-off. Right now, guys, it's really important for you to understand that it's risky to I don't know, to go long, go short. The tensions between actually the invasion, the Ukraine invasion by the Russian troops, yeah, it has really shaken the markets, and yeah, that's why we have sharp movements on what about Euro Japanese yen status? Yeah, I will take a look on the Japanese yen right after I will finish here with gold. So it's very important for you to understand that we have high volatility, sharp movements. Yeah, on all markets, it's really hard right now to catch a good trade, because anything could happen. Yeah, we don't know what could really happen right now, because you can see here a strong rally in gold. Yeah, I've talked about something like this yesterday about the potential further growth if it takes out 1916.61. It has climbed as much as 1974.14 sorry, one moment, 48. And technically it has reached this this resistance area, resistance zone, these former highs. So yeah, also and right now it has plunged. Yeah, strong sell-off in gold, but as you already know, gold is used also as a safe haven asset, and right now the risk of sentiment dominates the markets. So this could be only a temporary drop, temporary sell-off. I will keep an eye on gold, because yeah, I don't know, after this sell-off, massive drop will end, we can catch a new leg higher upwards movement, because in my opinion, yeah, gold could still try to jump towards new highs or something. So right now it's almost to retest maybe the weekly the first warning line of the ascending pitchfork, which represents a dynamic support. So personally, I'll wait for something like this, and as you already know, Orlando had 2 long positions in gold, 1 position from here. Let's take a look. Yeah, maybe from around these levels, and yeah, it was and it's still in deep profit, maybe, yeah, something like this. Right now more than 1000 pips. Yeah, and earlier today was in profit more than yeah, 1468 pips or something. So in huge profit with one of his trades, and another trade from around these levels here on gold. So great trades by Orlando. Yeah, also here right now at this moment, more than 700 pips or something on this trade. So yeah, that's why it's important for you guys to join us, to become a VIP member, to get all our trades. Because if you are only a free member, maybe you will get, I don't know, 20% of our trades, but maybe you will not get our trade management. Yeah, and as I've said earlier, it's really important to get our trade management, only because even if the price maybe, even if you will have our levels, okay, entry, stop loss, take profit, we will maybe manage our positions to take profit before reaching the take profit, or to move our stop loss at break even, or to cut our losses by moving our stop loss, or to close our position with a small loss if the conditions will change or something. So it's really, really important, okay? And also don't forget that yeah, we don't know exactly what trade will reach the take profit or something, or which trade will be a profitable one, and that's why maybe as a free member you will get, I don't know, a bad trade, yeah, and something like this. And that's why it's important for you to get all our trades, yeah, because yeah, getting all our trades, you will maybe become a profitable trader or something. So something like this in gold, a strong resistance here. But fundamentally, the price of gold, the yellow metal, could still resume its growth after maybe testing, retesting. Please take a look here. Yeah, rally, retreat, rally, retreat, rally, retreat, rally, retreat. So after a temporary retreat, a temporary drop, the price of gold could come back higher, at least towards this resistance area, and maybe it will take out this resistance. That's why personally I'll keep an eye on this market, maybe on lower time frames, because I want to catch a new buying opportunity. I want to catch a new bullish momentum after this sell-off ends, right? So let's take a look, yen basket, because you're interested in the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, euro, Japanese yen. So something like this, yen basket. Earlier today, I've talked about yen basket, something like this. The yen basket, this index jumped above the downtrend line, and right now it has reached the medium line, which represents a dynamic resistance. Also, it has found resistance right below the weekly R2. And as I've said earlier today, I want to see something like this, a temporary drop before jumping higher, before resuming its growth. So a temporary retreat here could bring new buying opportunities on the Japanese yen, okay, new Japanese yen longs. And also something like this, if the price will jump, close and stabilize above the medium line, then it could jump higher and could resume its growth. And please guys, something like this, personally I've had a downtrend line here, okay, 89.45 static support, only false breakdown, actually a bullish engulfing here. It has stayed near this downtrend line, signaling an imminent breakout. And right now, in my opinion, even if the index will decrease a little, the bias is bullish, and a potential further growth, upside continuation here could force the yen to appreciate. Yeah, it could bring us new buying opportunities, could bring us new Japanese yen longs. Okay, so let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. As I've said earlier today in that video, yeah, I'll wait for something here, because 89.569 former low stands as a support level, downside obstacle. And don't forget that we have the uptrend line, guys, okay? And I've said that I want to see something here. Right now only a false breakdown with great separation. Maybe we'll have a temporary rebound if the yen basket. How does one become a VIP member? What? So one moment, because I will send you the link. If you want to become a VIP member, so here you have the link. So you can access that link in from I've shared the link into the YouTube chat, and also you can use that code, that coupon trader25, to get a 25% discount, right? So yeah, hurry up, because that promotional code will expire soon. Yeah, and yeah. You can join us. Yeah, you can if you want to get all our services, if you want to have access to all our analyses, webinars, VIP webinars, videos, market breakdowns, news, Yeah, a lot of great stuff, tutorials, I don't know, market analysis, video analysis, trade management, a lot of great stuff. You can access that link and you can use that coupon. So right now at support here, and I said earlier today that maybe I want to see something like this, maybe a value breakdown before catching something like a new selling opportunity. Okay, so personal, I'll still keep an eye. I'll keep an eye on this market, and because right now we are at support. Personally, I don't want to buy it here because I've told you that the Japanese yen could develop an upside reversal. The Japanese yen, the Japanese yen basket could develop an upside continuation, an upside reversal. That's why the Japanese yen could dominate the currency market. And yeah, okay, so something like this on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look also on euro versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, here strong sell-off. We are at support here as well. So 128.24. So I don't have something really good here. These former lows here. So no. If I will decide maybe to go long on the Japanese yen, maybe I've told you guys earlier today that maybe I will search and maybe I will identify a short opportunity on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, because here I don't have something really good. The bias is still bearish as long as it stays below the downtrend line, and in my opinion only temporary rebound maybe could bring us something like this. Okay, I will not sell it here right on this support zone. Yeah, support area, demand area, demand zone. British pound versus the Japanese yen. Retest of the upper medium line, aggressive breakdown through the uptrend line, and right now sell off. And right now it's located right above the weekly S3, above the medium line. So no, I don't have something really good here, and that's why I told you guys today that I will look for Japanese yen longs on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. Strong sell-off, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. I don't have something good here after that massive drop. Okay, let's take a look. US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, strong rally here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, only because the dollar index rallies right now. Yeah. But yeah, it's somehow risky because personally I've had something like this maybe today. This is only my personal setup, and no, personally I didn't open the trade like this, but I was looking at something like this on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc after reaching the downtrend line, temporary drop. But yeah, I don't know, it's risky, guys, to catch something really good right now in the short term on the US dollar, on the Japanese yen, on gold, silver, on because right now the volatility is high. Can you provide suggestion on where to trade a lucky block in the US? And everything I have tried tells me that I can't because of my location. Okay, Michael or Mikhail, I don't know how to pronounce correctly your name, but please email support. Okay, please email support because I don't have those informations for you right now. I'm here to talk about financial markets, and I don't know exactly. So that's why it's important, guys, when you have questions about subscription services or brokerage companies or exchanges or I don't know, please email support. They will come back to you. Yeah. Last production, what's the Euro USD resistance level? What do you mean? What resistance level? On what time frame? Yeah, So resistance level, I don't know. It could be 1.1186, right? This former low, static support. The price ignored this support, and right now is almost to hit the medium line, the weekly S3. So this support level 1.1186, yeah, the support could turn into a resistance. The price maybe could come back to retest before dropping deeper. So yeah, you had it right the first time with my name. Okay, Michael, sorry about that. Yeah, about Euro USD, I don't know, it depends on what tools you'll use or technique, strategy to identify resistance levels, support levels. Maybe if you'll use I don't know, static support resistance, dynamic support resistance, I don't know, using tools, technical tools, indicators, I don't know. So yeah, something like this. Silver, guys, strong sell-off in silver as well, also because the price of gold dropped. And please take a look here on silver. It has retested 24.702, and also this one here. Actually, we have a confluence area here, at the intersection between these support levels, former resistance levels. And yeah, I will look for longs, guys, for new buying opportunities here in silver. If the price will stay here, if it will maybe stabilize, if it will register only false breakdowns, test retests, maybe I will try to go long again on silver. But right now it's risky because we don't know if the price of silver will come back higher, or if it will maybe drop deeper, right, in the short term. That's why I'm waiting for confirmation. I don't want to open trades only, I don't know, because the price reached support or something. Okay. So something like this here in silver. In my opinion, the bias remains bullish, and I will search for something here around this support area. Please confirm if opening account with 8 cap automatically qualifies you to become a VIP member. Tamara Nebi, please, as I've said earlier, it seems that you are not listening to me here. I said earlier a few minutes ago, that if you have questions about brokerage companies, subscription services, please email support. I'm not here to talk about 8 cap, about I don't know, how to become a VIP member or something like this. Yeah, please email support, they will come back to you. Yeah, and I'm here to talk about markets, financial markets. I'm trying to take a look on all markets here. So yeah, let's take a look. US 100, Nasdaq. So please email support, they will come back to you. And even if you will open a trading account with 8 cap, I believe you have to, I don't know, to have a, I don't know, minimum capital or something, and you have to trade, man. It's even if you will open it, even if you will open that account, if you are not trading, yeah, you will not become a VIP member or something. So please email support, they will come back to you, right? So yeah, strong sell-off. So it seems that the US stock market crashes. We have something like a corrective phase, strong correction. Let's take a look. If we'll use a Fibonacci retracement here on this, the last swing higher. So something like this. Let's go back. And here we have something like a major gap down. Major gap down here on the Nasdaq, on the US 100, and yeah, retest here, deeper drop, and it remains to see how it will react here. Maybe after it will reach the 38.2 retracement level or something. Yeah, very important. Very important. But right now, yeah, the bias is bearish. The US 100 is in a corrective phase, so let's wait, guys. So maybe only temporary rebounds could bring new short opportunities or something. Okay, maybe if the price will come back to maybe to retest 13,717.2 or something before dropping deeper. So right now, yeah, the bias is bearish. Let's use this maybe potential downside line. Yeah, because you can see that also the price registered only a false breakdown here. Maybe a new false breakdown could signal potential rebound in the short term. Okay, US 100, US 30. Let's take a look. Don't forget, guys, to like this video. Yeah, and don't forget, if you are only a free member, if you want to join us, you can use that code, that coupon trader25 to get a 25% discount. Okay. So yeah, strong sell-off here also on the US 30, and please take a look here, guys. Let's take a look on on daily, because I want to use here a Fibonacci retracement as well. Maybe this tool will yeah, right now it challenges the 23.6. okay, maybe a potential valid breakdown below it could signal potential deeper drop. Please take a look here that the US 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, ignored all these former lows, signaling potential deeper drop.